With Intercompany Integration Solution for SAP Business one of the main features that we have available for the solution is the consolidation process. Before using the consolidation process though, you need to go to the Consolidation Account Mapping process under all branches available inside of intercompany implementation. So in order to do that, I need to open the Consolidation module, then I'm going to select Consolidation Account Mapping. There are three ways to map the accounts inside of Intercompany Integration Solution. So once you open the Consolidation Account Mapping, you're going to be presented with a list of all accounts that are available inside of your branch company. In my case, I'm talking about my head office. And on the right hand side here, I'm going to have an empty list with the accounts that come from the consolidation company. The first way that you can map the account is by doing that manually. So I'm going to select the first line here. I'm going to press Tab. And the system is going to open the first screen that comes from the consolidation company, the chart of accounts from the consolidation company. From here, I basically select the account, and then I go to the next one and do exactly the same process. Obviously, depending on the size of the chart of account, this is going to take you a while. So I don't recommend you to go over this process. The second option that we have is in regards to the Auto Map Account option. So the Auto Map Account option is going to compare the account code from your branch company with the account code from the consolidation company. If the account codes are similar, the system is going to basically return the mapping here automatically for you. If we are talking about different localizations and most probably different chart of accounts, this is not going to be a viable option for you as well. So if I select Auto Map Account, the system is going to start mapping, comparing the account codes, and it's going to basically fill up the information on the right hand side. As we can see here, now my chart of accounts has been mapped successfully by Intercompany Integration Solution, and now I just need to basically select Update in order to save my mapping. One of the things that they need to keep in mind is the fact that the Consolidation Account Mapping process is going to be divided by the drawers that is available in the chart of accounts. So I have basically mapped the accounts in my assets drawer. I need to go drawer by drawer that is listed here in this drop down list and do exactly the same process for our accounts. In order to show you the last option for the Consolidation Account Mapping process, I'm going to clear all the accounts in my assets drawer by selecting Clear All, and the system is going to clean the information that was saved already here. I will go here and press Update, so my process is basically saved inside of SAP Business One. I'm going to close this window to show you the last option that we have available. So the last option that we have available for the Consolidation Account Mapping is going to be available under Administration, Intercompany Tools, Consolidation Account Mapping. Here, the Consolidation Account Mapping is a really simple and straightforward process, especially if you have different chart of accounts in your companies. So what I need to do now, I need to select Prepare Template, and the system is going to basically generate an Excel file. I'm going to name my Excel file to be HO representing head office Excel, and I'm going to save this in my desktop. Once this is saved, I'm going to open the Excel file here. And now you can see that I'm going to have an Excel file with two different tabs. The first tab is the branch company chart of accounts. So this is a list of all accounts available in my head office. And the important part here is column F. As we can see, this is going to be the consolidation account code that comes from my consolidation company. And the second tab is going to be the consolidation company chart of accounts. This is basically the chart of accounts that came from my consolidation company. Now what I need to do, I need to take the code here. I'm going to go here until my last asset account, which is going to be this one. I'm gonna basically select the code. I'll go here in the branch company chart of accounts, and I'm gonna basically paste the code here. I'm gonna check that all accounts were mapped for my assets drawer. I'm gonna delete these two here, and now I'm gonna basically save the information inside of my Excel. Now what I need to do, I need to go back to my head office company, and now that I have my Excel file ready to be used, I'm gonna open again the Consolidation Account Mapping tool, and I'm gonna look for the file that I have just saved inside of my system. Here is the Excel file. I'm gonna select. Once selected, I need to validate my file. And once it's validated, I will be able to basically upload the information inside of my head office by pressing upload. Now that the information was uploaded successfully, if I go back to my consolidation account mapping, I will be able to see that now the information was successfully mapped inside of my head office company. This is the last and final option that we have for the consolidation account mapping process.